In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix a Steam game that's stuck on validating. If your game refuses to load and just keeps verifying files, don't worry. This step-by-step guide will help you solve the problem. First, open the Steam application on your computer. If it's not already running, find the Steam icon on your desktop and double-click to launch it. Once it opens, make sure you're logged into your account. Click the Login button in the top right corner, enter your username and password, and sign in to access your library. Before moving on, if your game is connected to EA, make sure you have the EA app installed. You can download it from the official EA website or directly through Steam if prompted. After downloading, run the installer and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. Once installed, open the EA app and check if there's a repair option for your game. If available, run the repair. It can fix any corrupted files causing the issue. Next, close Steam completely. Click Steam in the top menu bar and select Exit to fully shut it down. Then, reopen Steam and go to the top left corner, click Steam and select Settings. Inside Settings, head over to the Downloads section and click on Clear Download Cache. This will remove any corrupted or stuck download data that might be causing the validation issue. After that, go to the Storage section. Find your active drive, click the three dots next to it, and select Repair Library Folder. This step checks your game files and fixes any problems within the installation directory. Once you've completed all these steps, your game should validate properly and launch without any issues. If it's still not working, you may need to check the game's individual settings or contact Steam support for further help. Hopefully, this guide helped you get back to gaming without interruptions. Thanks for watching.